Hi and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Fiona and today I'm really excited to show you this stunning Audi Q5 Sport that we've in stock at the moment. This Q5 is finished in the gorgeous Floret Silver. It's the perfect family SUV with a hint of luxury. Highlights of the specification include the stunning Xenon headlights which you've just seen. We also have some amazing technology such as the Bluetooth connectivity, also DAB digital radio and cruise control, which I'll show you more inside. Moving on to the boot space, you can see we've got an absolutely huge spacious boot, really good for any shopping trips as it is a power operated tailgate, so it does come down automatically there. Moving on to the interior, we have the stunning sport front seats. Here we have the Quattro detailing in as it is a four-wheel drive system. Sat-nav display on the MMI multimedia interface. Telephone Bluetooth connect, really good for any hand-free calls. DAB digital radio, as well as the Audi Drive Select, which allows the driver to put the car in any mode they would like, for example dynamic for a sportier drive. 3-zone deluxe climate control, and we also have heated seats, just adding luxury to the car. It also comes with the parking aid, as you can see, with front and rear sensors. Electromechanical parking brake. Moving on to the driver's side, we have the stunning cockpit with the sat-nav telephone and radio display, all controlled by the multifunctional steering wheel. Here we have the cruise control, as I stated before, as well as the gear shift paddles, automatic lights and the electric door mirror controls. Also the west to west button if you do need any roadside assistance. So if you are interested, we have some amazing offers on, so please call 012 54 668 777.